walking the road. Sailoring.
Right, so get your two pry bars, lift that tile there, and you see that nail sticking up? You need to take that nail out using your pry bar. Some come out fairly easy like this one, and some don't. And then you want to lift that top right tile and the bottom left tile, and that'll take all the weight off the tiles and just slide it right up. I will add, I like to call my pry bars my swords. Hoopa! Get your solar bracket or hook. Find your rafter, work out where you're going to put your screws. Once you've worked out your screws, you want some good screws. I use 8x80s, good thick screws. Give you a really good strong fixing. That solar hook will be going nowhere. Nowhere. Once those are in, you want to get your adjustable bottom bit of your hook and tighten that so it's flush with the tile it's going to sit on. And then the adjustable hook for your rail, make sure that's pointing up straight, tighten that up, and that's it. Take your swords out, pull your tile down. Fits nice and snug, there you go, the job's a good one. Catch you later.